Hey guys, this is Alicia with Tough as Nails. I'm a Color Street stylist. There's some cute little things. I just wanted to show you real quick. I just got finished doing my Beach House Blues nails. Just got finished to do that. And I just wanted to show you, because I had some strips left over, I just wanted to show you how you can save your strips. There we go. How you can save your strips to use later. Now, some people have all different methods for this. Some people like to use their hair straightener, and they would just heat up their hair straightener and like clamp it on this part, and it reseals the package. Now, you could do that, but I don't own a hair straightener because, like, literally doing my nails is like the most girly thing I do. I don't wear makeup or anything, so I don't have a hair straightener. So I had to try to figure out how I was going to do this without one. So I've also seen videos where some people use a lighter or a match and seal the end here, like they'll just hold it there. I tried that and it did work, but there was a few close calls as far as almost catching the nail strips on fire. So I figured fire might not be a good option for me. So instead, I went the route of tape. So it's super easy. Now remember that these are technically one-time use strips. The company does not guarantee that they are going to be able to be used again if you reseal them, and even if you can get them to stick on your nails, they're not necessarily guaranteed to last the up to 14 days that they do advertise. However, I would tell you, in my experience, I haven't had a problem by doing it this way yet, but just so you know, they're technically one-time use, not completely guaranteed to work again if you reseal them. But what I've been doing is I take a piece of tape and I just put it halfway over the pouch here like this, so it's covering half of the end of the pouch, and then I just fold it over so it's nice and sealed, and then there we go, and it's totally sealed. I have reused a few this way, and they've been just good as new. Generally, the ones that I reuse, I don't cover my whole nail with. I will generally use those. I use the hole punches with different shapes or cut out stripes or something like that. Generally, I use my resealed ones for that stuff, but it's worth a try to see if you can get another usage out of some of these strips. So there you go. If you want more information, go to tuffasnails.com. That's TUFFAZ nails.com. If you'd like to try a sample of these awesome bad boys, go to sample.tuffasnails.com. And if you'd like to join my VIP group, there's some awesome stuff in there going on. Great community of women. That would be facebook.tuffasnails.com. Thanks. Have a great day.